So here's how to fix Steam won't log in with correct email and password. So first you want to open your browser and make sure that Steam servers are online and not down. So you want to search for Steam status and then click on the first link here. And if you see your region servers are okay, that means the servers are okay and running. Otherwise, it will tell you that servers are down in red font, red color. Now, if it's down, you can probably try again to log in. Otherwise, if it's operational, you should be able to log in. Next, you want to go to the settings. And in here, you want to go to time and language. Then click on date and time. And in here, you want to make sure that set time zone automatically is turned on or activated, as well as set time automatically. Now, if this is set, you can close this. Now, before you close, if you have a delay in the time on your system, you can click on sync now to sync the time. Now you can close this. Next, we want to make sure that we do not have any VPN running by going to settings and then network and internet. Click on the VPN section. And in here, if you have any VPN connected, you should see a disconnect button in here. So you should click on it and then close this. And you can also check the taskbar here to see if any external VPN software is running. And you will need to close it or exit from it. Next, we want to check the firewall settings by right-clicking Windows and then go to Settings. And in here, search for Firewall, Windows Defender Firewall. Now you can either turn off Windows Defender Firewall completely just to test if it works. Otherwise, you can click on Allow an app or feature through Firewall. Now in here, you want to click on Change Settings to be able to change these. And you want to look for Steam if it already exists in here. And you should enable it if it's not already enabled. Activate both public and private sections. Now you can press OK. And if it doesn't exist, you can click Allow another app in here. Then browse to Steam installation. Click Add, and it should be added to this list. Next, press OK, and then close this one. Now you want to right-click the Windows logo, then click Run. It should bring up this window. In here, we want to type %sign local app data %sign again, then press enter. And in here, we want to look for Steam folder. Now, if you found one, we right click on it and delete. Now, once you delete it, you can close this window. Now you want to go to the Steam logo or search for Steam in here, right click on it and then click run as administrator and then confirm to run Steam as administrator, and that should generally fix the error. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.